documentary, I went across a book fair conducted in part of India. What I analyzed there is the main thing. I went through thousands and thousands of books. That's the main area what I concentrated. There were thousands and thousands of books which is coming currently to the market. Okay, it's good because books are the key role for information. If I want to retrieve a data, I should retrieve through books. They are the key factors as a retrieval part. Then I noticed a shelf where I have a series of around 10 to 20. It is an author presentation. Okay, what I'm trying to convey is we had books of 10,000s and CDs of 20. Okay, now I am making another case study. In India, in the late 80s, 1980s, there was a concept, the television was an innovative thing. To be frank, there were a few houses where we had television sets. It was a tool for the few. With the technology's advancement, it has changed. Now it's very difficult to see a household where we don't have a set, television set. So within a gap of 10-15 years, we can see a high range of innovation in the field of television industry, broadcasting industry. Like that, what happened in the field of computers? If you think in one angle of the television, there was a boom in 10 to 15 years. Now, I'm telling, right now it's 2003. While you come to 2010, as the technology advances, there will be computers in each and every household because the people's trend is changing. According to the trend, we should evaluate them. There was a time when people used to go for datas, used to search for libraries. Now datas are coming to them. We have search engines. We have adequate datas in our friend. Now I'm coming back to my point, and what I'm suggesting, if we have 10,000 books, 10,000 is a minor example, what I have came across in the bookstore. We want to convert all these books to the digital format. I'm not telling we want to convert directly into an album, into a CD. We should order it. That means at low cost, I'm giving the solution to order the data. That means at low cost, the coming generation can access the data and get maximum resource at less time. What happens in the Indian methodology? If you go through the books, I'm trying to convey a small comparison once again. If you take the Indian methodology of books, you can see because books is a common thing. We shift the pages 1 to 3 to sequence. There may be 300 or 400 pages. In Canadian, if you go for Canada, we can see a different methodology over there. Because we can finish a book by half an hour. The concept is different. What the Canadians suggest is, the people will become rustic if you are able to read a long time of 100, 200, 300 pages. We can surf it very easily, but if you're going through reading, it takes much time. But what the Canadians did, they are given paragraph by paragraph in next pages. That means a reader can reduce their time. That means within half an hour you can go through all the data and come back again, start from the beginning. So if they have designed so, we should also be innovative in this particular areas of e-book concept. That means it will, because within a gap of 5 to 10 years, the renaissance in the field of computer will be there throughout India as a whole. What I am suggesting, the government departments, basically the legal divisions, the income tax sections, and all the sectors which is relating to books, data, we are late to warehouse all these data in the format of author as CDs or DVDs. I'm giving a solution. If you have a 2000 square feet of house with bulk of data, and I can embed all these things in a floppy disk or a floppy in a CD or DVD